In this Japanese-style tiny cabin home, the layout of the cabinets is a testament to smart, specific design. The cabinets are thoughtfully placed in the corners of the room and seamlessly integrated with the window edge, forming a continuous flow of storage without overwhelming the space. The strategic placement turns every unused nook into a functional area, creating a clean and open visual atmosphere. The corner cabinets are compact yet spacious inside, while the window edge cabinets subtly frame the natural light source, serving both aesthetic and functional purpose. These built-ins not only offer generous storage but also act as structural and visual anchor in the small interior. This multifunctional cabinet configuration demonstrates how, even in the most compact living environments, thoughtful planning can create a balanced blending of efficiency, comfort, and beautifully. The clever use of vertical and horizontal planes ensure that no space goes to waste, making this tiny cabin home a true inspiration for anyone looking to maximize functionality without sacrificing style.